Hello everyone, hope you all are fine and doing well. It's me Saharadnan and welcome to my channel Beyond Grammar. In today's video, we are diving into the wide world of kitchen vocabulary. So, have you ever wondered what a whisk is or what to call an appliance that is used for blending fine textured smoothies? So this video is specifically for you and generally for all the kitchen enthusiasts right there. So let's get started. The first section of my video is based on the names of important kitchen utensils and what purposes they serve. So let's begin with the very first one, this. What do we call it? This basic kitchen tool is termed as a flipper. Flipper, also called as the turner. What is it used for? It is used for flipping and turning the food around. Number 2, this. What is this? This is a floor sifter. What is this called? It's a floor sifter, which is used to sift the floor. It removes the clumps and any impurities like the bits of chaff and husk, which are the part of the floor. This is a biscuit cutter, which is also called as cookie cutter. What purpose is this basic tool used for? This is used to cut the dough into desired shapes like cookies or the biscuits. The kneaded dough is formed in different shapes through this cookie cutter. And they comes in different sizes and different shapes. Let me show you. These two and the third one. This as well. What are they called? They are called the cookie cutters or the biscuit cutters. They also come in heart form, heart shape. Fine. And then we have these shapes. And then we have the star shapes. Colander. 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 What is the use? This very basic kitchen tool has holes in it and it is specifically devised to separate the liquid from the solid and to rinse the food like pasta, boiled rice, chickpeas and many more. This is a bowl. What is this? This is a bowl. It is used for preparing, serving, storing, and consuming the food. What is this? It's a ladle. It's a ladle. You know, it's deeper from inside. Why? To allow maximum quantity of the food, specifically the puree or the soup, to the serving bowl. Fine? We have another type of ladle also. This one. It is even much deeper from here. What are they called? Ladle. This is a pot. What is it? It's a pot. Cooking pot. What is it used for? It is used to cook the food. Another very basic tool from the kitchen are the kitchen shears. These are called the kitchen shears. They are used to trim vegetables and to cut the herbs and to cut the meat. Now, what is this? This is a spice rack. What is this? It's a spice rack. And what is it used for? It is used to organize the bottles of spices and it is also used for seasoning. Okay, now, what is this? It's a saucepan. These high sides prevent splatter and evaporation. They are used for cooking various kinds of sauces. Okay, what is this? This is a cutting board. It is also called chopping board or a cutting board. What is it used for? It is used to chop the food or to cut the food and to prevent your shelf surfaces from any damage as you slice or cut the food. What is this? It's a cylindrical tool. And what is it called? It is called a rolling pin. And what is it used for? It is used to roll and to flatten the kneaded dough. It has a rolling board also. What is the purpose of this rolling board? This rolling board is also used to flatten the dough. They both work together. Rolling pin and rolling board. Another very basic and very important kitchen tool is griddle. What is this? It's a griddle. What is the griddle used for? It is used to make various kinds of eggs like omelets, sunny side up, and it is used to prepare pancakes and different types of like snacks also. And the very basic function is to prepare tortillas. What is this? It's a wok. What is this called? It's a wok. It is a large bowl-shaped kitchen tool which is used for stir frying, deep frying, scrambling eggs, and many other purposes. Now there's another very important and very basic tool used in the kitchen. What are these called? These are tongs. What are these called? Tongs. What are they used for? They are used to pick up the food and move it from one pan to the plate to the serving dish without even touching the food with your hands. Now these are the metallic tongs, and we have the silicone tongs also. What do we call them? Tongs. Used to pick up the food and to move it without touching the food with your hands. Now what is this? It's a strainer. What do we call it? Strainer. It is used to separate the liquid from the solid food, or used to extract the fried items from the oil while frying. Once they are done, in order to take them out from the frying oil and in order to avoid them being overcooked, we use this. We use this very basic tool, that is the strainer. Pestle and mortar. Pestle and mortar. The round shaped bowl type thing, this one is called the mortar, and the club, this one is called the pestle. Pestle is used to crush, grind, or pulverize the ingredients. What is this? It's a peeler. What is this? It's a peeler. What is it used for? It is used to remove the skin or peel it from the fruits and vegetables. What is this? It's a pizza slicer. What is this? It's a pizza slicer, which is used to slice the pizza evenly. Now, what is this? It's a sieve. What is this? It's a sieve. Sieve. It is also called fine mesh strainer. Sieve or fine mesh strainer or sift. What is the purpose? It is used to separate wanted elements from the unwanted ones, or unwanted elements from the wanted ones. What is this? It's a whisk. Whisk. And it is used to blend or to mix wet ingredients into the dry ones like milk with flour and egg while preparing the batter for baking. What is this? It's a spatula. What is this? It's a spatula. It's a broad, flat, and flexible blade. Metallic also. This one is that of silicone. But we have metallic spatulas also. So these spatulas are used to mix, spread, and lift the food. You just do it like this, pass it through the food, and lift the food up. What is this? It has holes in it. What is this called? It's called deep skimmer. Deep skimmer. What is the purpose? It is used to skim off the foam from the cooking liquid surfaces. For example, have you ever cooked lentils and have you ever boiled chickpeas? There is a skim, the foam that appears on the surfaces in the initial time of their boiling. So these deep skimmers are used to skim off the foam from the surface of the cooking liquids. What is this? It also has holes in it, but it does not have a flat surface. This is called a perforated spoon. Perforated spoon. Perforated spoon. It is used to retrieve items from the cooking liquid. Okay, now what is this? It's a pan, frying pan. It is used for searing the meat, sauteing vegetables, and for frying also. This is the grill pan, and it is used to grill meat fillets. Then we have lemon squeezer. Lemon squeezer. And lemon squeezer is used to extract juice from lemons and the citrus. Okay, then we have oven gloves. Oven gloves. What purpose do they serve? They're used to prevent any type of damage to your hands while you're cooking or while you are baking. They prevent your hands from burning. This is a jug. And you know this. It's a very basic kitchen tool. This is a jug which is used to hold in water and other type of liquids or sorbets like jam shiri, any sort of summer drink. Then we have kitchen towels. They are used for drying the dishes, wiping up the spills, or absorbing any type of liquid that has fallen over the surface or that has fallen on the floor. Okay, then we have these. What are these? Cutlery. We call them cutlery. What are they used for? Number one, we have this butter knife. What do we call it? Butter knife. It is used to spread jam, margarine, mayonnaise, honey, or the bread surface or on the surface of the buns. What is this called? This is a fork. It is used for spearing and holding the food. Spearing and holding the food. This is a tablespoon. It is used to scoop up the food and to eat the food. What is this? It's a teaspoon. It is used to mix coffee, to add some sugar and to mix it into the tea, steaming tea. It also serves the purpose of eating desserts or sweets. Now what is this? This is a grater. What is this? It's a grater. It is used to shave down hard foods into smaller pieces. What is this? This is a garlic press. What is this? It's a garlic press. It is used to convert fresh garlic into minced garlic by pressing it through the small holes. Okay, what is this? This is an egg slicer. What do we call it? Egg slicer. First of all, you peel the hard-boiled egg, you place it here and you press these blades here. Okay, now this is a funnel. What is this called? It's a funnel. It is used to place the ingredients that you have in bulk into a fine storage container without wasting it or without even losing much of the ingredients. A cup and a saucer. A cup and a saucer versus the mug. This one is used for serving hot beverages like coffee and tea. The cup is used to hold in the liquid, and while this one, the saucer, provides a stable base for the cup. What is this? It's a mug. This one serves the same purpose with the exception that it is used to put or to hold maximum quantity of liquid. What is this? Very basic. You all know very well that this is the bottle opener. What do we call it? Bottle opener, which is used to open the lids of the bottles. What is this? This one is an apron. We just wear it like this, and this prevents your clothes from any stains. Ice cream scoop. Ice cream scoop. This ice cream scoop is used to scoop the batter for the baking, and it is also used to scoop the ice cream for serving it. Potato masher. Potato masher. It is used to mash the potatoes, the boiled potatoes, evenly. This is a casserole dish. Casserole dish. What do we call it? Casserole dish. It is used for baking pastas, lasagna, and for bread puddings and much more. This is a thermos. What is this? It's a thermos which is used to keep food and drinks hot or cold for extended periods of time. This is an ice pail. What do we call it? An ice pail. It is used to preserve the ice. What are these? Salt and pepper shakers. We also call them salt and pepper cellars. They are used to sprinkle salt and pepper on the food. Wooden spoon. What is it? A wooden spoon. What is it used for? It is used to mix different types of food during food preparation. This is a teapot. Not the same teapot like in Beauty and the Beast, but another one. This teapot is used to hold in tea and to serve the tea. What do we call it? It's a wine glass. What is it? It's a wine glass. And the purpose? You know the purpose very well. This is a fruit cutter. Basically, it serves the purpose of cutting the watermelons. This is a measuring spoon, and there are 4 to 5 types of measuring spoons. They're of different colors and sizes. The plastic ones, they come in different sizes and different colors. The metallic ones, they also come in different sizes, but they are of the same color. The basic purpose is to measure the quantity of some foods, like some dry flour, oil while you are preparing for baking or you're doing anything else. So basically in the food preparation, these measuring spoons are used to measure the exact quantity of the ingredient you are putting into the food. Okay then, we are done with the kitchen utensils. Now it's time to talk about the section 2, which is based on kitchen appliances and their basic use. So the first one is microwave oven. Microwave oven. It is used to reheat previously cooked food or to bake something like cookies and cakes. This is a stove. What is it? It's a stove. It is used to cook the food by providing direct heat. This is a water dispenser. What is this? It's a water dispenser, and the purpose is to facilitate the easy supply of drinking water. This is an electric kettle. What is this? It's an electric kettle. What is the purpose? It is used to boil or heat water for hot beverages like tea, coffee. This is a refrigerator. That is a fridge. And what is it used for? It is used to keep the food, vegetables, and the fruits fresh by maintaining the temperature and restricting the bacterial growth. What is this? This is a food processor. What is this? It's a food processor which is used to grind the food or to dice the food, to shred the food, and sometimes to knead the dough also. What is this? This is a blender which is used to pulverize your smoothies, to make milkshakes and fresh juices, and to make creamy nut butters. This is a sandwich maker. What is it? It's a sandwich maker. It is also called sandwich press. It is used to prepare yummy, steaming, hot, aromatic sandwiches. This is a toaster. What is it? A toaster which is used to toast crispy fine bread. This is an immersion blender. What is this? It's an immersion blender which is used to mix, puree, and emulsify food into fine purees. This is a manual vegetable crusher. Manual vegetable crusher which is used to chop or to crush the vegetables into fine pieces. This is a deep fryer which is used to fry any type of food that you would love to eat in a fried form, like used to fry fish or used to fry french fries, whatever you would like to have. So that was it for today's lesson on kitchen vocabulary. But that was not just it. There's much more to go. Let me know which word was new for you guys. Let me know through your emails. Don't forget to tell me about my progress through your emails. Do you like it, or do you like it, or do you like it? There's no other option. There's another important thing. My next video will delve much deeper into the wide world of kitchen vocabulary, from food-based adjectives and cooking-based adjectives, food-based idioms, and food-based verbs, and much more to go ahead. Don't forget to like my video. You haven't liked yet? So what are you guys waiting for? Click the like button and motivate me further. Subscribe my channel for more videos, and don't forget to share it with your friends and those family members who are very interested in learning English for everyday use. Stay tuned, stay subscribed, and stay blessed. Thank you.